Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add accounts payable to your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to add an accounts payable to your QuickBooks Online account. How do you actually go ahead and set that up? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. First, let's log on to our QuickBooks account. Then on the left-hand side, you want to click on Menu so it toggles down. Highlight Transactions, and then click on Chart of Accounts. Once you open up this page here, you want to click on New on the right hand side, enter the account name, and then for the account type, you want to click on Accounts Payable, which is this option here. You could also adjust the detail type for some other types of accounts, but for accounts payable, there's usually only one detail type. You can add a description, and then afterwards, just click on Save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add an accounts payable to your QuickBooks Online a chart of accounts. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.